This is the Meteor. It's a really fun, playful watch. Lots of different controls here with do not disturb, twist your wrist to see the time, overall brightness, on, off, and settings are available here. You've got messages pushed from your phone and your step count with a chart down at the bottom that shows you how much and where during the day, an actual real chart of your heart rate that it's doing with the green diode in the back. Slide over, you've got your sports activities that you can do right from here. Fahrenheit or centigrade temperature in your area as set by the app. You can actually play the music on your phone remotely from right here on the watch itself when you're tethered. And you got messages, of course, pushed from your watch and back to your watch face. When you come down, you got your apps, which include the step count we just saw, overall sleep record if you have one, the current sports that you could choose, and there's a large selection that you can pick from here. Yep, including swimming on this watch, so it's got some waterproofness to it. A sport record that will show you the results of your activities, including an actual heart rate chart that was put together while you were exercising. Heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, alarms, calculator. Yep, it's even got a built-in little calculator here. Timer, stopwatch, and all of that. You've got breath training with some different styles, slightly slow, real soothing, or slightly fast to help you calm down, and you can set it up to 5 minutes. We have the remote camera and music player. You've got a little game built into this one that you can play where you can avoid getting hit, I guess. And again, settings in here which are pretty much your overall preferences for everything, including date format, the language you're using, your time format. Everything is adjustable. Makes it really, really nice. Do not disturb and so forth. Your QR code to download the app, factory restore, and the system information for it. It's the Meteor. Now, in terms of the band, it's a nice thin little rubberized TPU band. Single button on the side, really thin, really nice. Check it out. It's the Meteor.